So far, Allison and Sierra got the axe. Now, we're moving on to the girls have to act like they would if they just killed 10 people when they were in a mental hospital. Let's see what happens. I just killed 10 people. Crusher.
Oh shit, I messed up! Shit!
Cut. Action.
I just killed 10 people with one string. No, that's hard for me. What is happening? Get down now!
Okay, cut. That was good. Next.
I just killed 10 people with my sister.
Cut. That was good, Jessica. Next.
Christine, action!
I killed 10 people! 10! One string! And I want you to act like a... Damn it!
Christine, that was horrible. You suck. Gabby, action!
I killed 10. And, you know, I want you to act like... Do I get lunch now?
Well, since Christine sucked. No, Ty sucks so bad. She got home. I'm gonna cut you! I will cut you up! I'm gonna cut you! And now we will announce the winner. The winner is... Gabby wins! Gabby, you just won.
What?
You won. You're gonna be...
Did I win a lolly?
No, you won the Rolling Stall 3D.
I don't want that bitch. Take it fucking on.